In Jordan, 1 out of 10 people live as refugees due to the never-ending conflicts of Syria and Iraq, forcing thousands of people to flee their homes in the search for safety. Many of them are children. Amanda Lane works for these children and their families by making sure they are provided with food, heating, and a safe place to sleep. Collateral Repair Project also gives child refugees access to education and after-school programs for healing and cultivating friendships to create a sense of belonging.